This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will first verify Maya is installed and accessible from the shell. This avoids permission or path surprises later. Once done, add Maya's bin folder to your path or plan to invoke the full path to Maya, exe or mayapv. Make sure to open a terminal or command prompt and run Maya v or mayapv so you get a version response. That proves the CLI works and lets you start executing commands or scripts immediately. You now execute practical operations. Use mayapv to run Python modules or Maya batch to process scenes without UI. For example, run mayapv script, py or Maya batch file scene, ma command python \import tool, run \. Once running, redirect stdout and stdir to a log file so you can inspect progress and errors later. Use and 2 and 1. Make sure to check the process return code. To finish, wrap your commands into shell scripts or CI tasks so you can reproduce renders or exports reliably. Include explicit temp folder cleanup and exit codes. Once done, verify outputs and remove lock or temp files to avoid stale state. If Maya hangs or fails, kill the PID and restart a clean session. Then rerun the same command with verbose logging enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: always inspect the log file first. It reveals missing modules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.